let's get to taking off this finish so we can run our wires for our switch and our headlights. So let's get to that. Let me get my socket set. I'm gonna place it down right here. Damn. That's not gonna go. One bolt right here for the meantime. And that's all. Pull that. Good there. Put this right here. Move my bolt there. And these fender bolts are just 10s. This one. Pull this up. What the fuck is it connected to? Oh, the bumper. I got a bolt there. Hold on. The longest bolt possible. What I'm gonna do is, where's my thing? I have this bad boy right here. See that? Hear those clickings? What we're gonna do, and don't worry about the dash, I'll show you, I'm working on it, I'll show you it in a few. But we're gonna be running this, headlights, rear running lights, fog lights, maybe cluster, I'm not sure about that, I'm figuring out the cluster situation. I think I'm gonna check my interior light thing and see if it works. If not, we'll figure one of these out for it. But yeah, headlights, tail lights, fog lights, well, running lights right here. This was like 10 bucks on Amazon. See that? And we just gotta run our hot and our ground. I just gotta run the hot wire really to whatchamacallit, to the battery. The ground we can put it anywhere. And I already have a ground wire, but let's just run this one. So we're gonna have it running through here and through the dash. I'll show you. Either my camera's about to die because it stopped recording. So let me just do this for you real quick. Yeah, because it's wanting to shut off. All right. This is gonna be for the headlights, the black one. Let me see, it only needs to go. I'm just gonna leave that much extra. And the rest I'm gonna put through inside. Oh, sorry. The rest I'm gonna put through inside. I'll show you how much I left out there in a second. Let me feed this through. I need to bring, I think, like just 2 more wires. So I'm gonna do one for the fog lights. And I'm gonna see if I can get the pop-ups to go off the switch. I don't know if that will work though. There we go. All right, now there are those 2 wires. You can see our wires right here. And we have a bunch extra, which is right here, which is good. One extra, you can always cut some off. You can always add some too, but if you want just one piece reference. If you just want one piece, you're gonna have to add a little extra. I think I'm gonna have it go. Oh, I'm thinking about it here. All right, so got the dash all painted. Saw the clip before painting it. I was trying to use that little circle thing. I don't know if you saw. I was trying to get this design or the little pattern in it, but it just wasn't working. I saw a method where you could put super glue, then get the pattern, but I was trying to use it with the little thing that had the pattern. It didn't really work, as you see right there. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's just not really gonna matter much. The dash didn't come out that amazing. I would have needed to do a little more work up here to get it straight, but from where I'm gonna be sitting, it's not really gonna matter, so I'm not that concerned about it. I just want it not that broken. Plus I have a little cover that goes over it, so I'm gonna be putting that. So let's go throw this in, and we're gonna be getting to the gas tank. Should be all about good. Let me see if you can hear it. Let me move it. I have some nuts in here to shake all the rust, if you can hear that. This is the second time I've put vinegar in it. I filled it a bit more this time. So we're gonna empty that, then wash that out here in a few. Then we'll do what we need to it. But first, let's go start getting this dash in, which will take probably like 30 minutes, nothing crazy. You just gotta pull off the center console. All we have to do is get that out the way, get our center console, and get this out the way. Then we can throw everything else in. We gotta paint this. This goes over the cluster. We gotta paint these little side pillars, which I have behind my C10. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get all this out the way, so we can start throwing in our dash. We have a complete interior, get everything where we need. All right, let's drop this column. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. Just ignore all here, I haven't done anything there, but all the steering wheel and whatnot. Dang, my camera's about to die, but check it out. That cluster, still gotta mess with this a little, but center console and whatnot. I'm about to get to this. So let's get that, but I'm gonna try my camera first. And just to show you the dash, came out decent. You see it's still a bit wavy. You see right there, it's still a bit wavy. It's nothing too crazy. I didn't try my best on him. I was just trying to get it decent where it looked good, which it does, you see from here. I mean, it looks great. I have a thing that goes over it too, but I didn't spend too much time on the Bondo and whatnot. But I fiberglassed and I put one small layer over the Bondo and it came out decent enough. It's gonna get covered, so I'm not worried about it. I'm just glad to have the dash back. Everything's looking great. We just need a radio now and wire up some speakers and we'll be good to go. So let's wait till nighttime and we'll see how all the clusters and lights are working. So let's wait till then. All right, it's nighttime. You can barely probably see. Let me show you what this lights do. There's the headlights. That's the rear. There we go. Cluster lights. Oh yeah, there we go. They're the headlights. There's the fog. What? Look at that. You got that light, which I believe goes to here. The glove box, I gotta put that, but check that out. Let me turn the key on and the rest will go. I didn't even think about that. Hold on. See? Everything's working. I just gotta find where to put my switches, but let me show you the outside. Tail lights, check. All good to go there. Let me show you the front. Look at that. Close the door. I think it looks amazing. Oh yeah. But we got all that working, which is a big W because this is like half of what we needed to be able to drive the car. Now we have a speedometer, we got rear running lights, which is good. We'll be able to drive at night. But that's all we got for this one. We're gonna hit the gas tank and all the rest in the next one. So stay tuned. Appreciate you.